Hi guys, welcome to a brand new installment with Reece Vids, or Reece Jets. Today we have an Iberia A340 model, which I'm going to review for you all. So stick around and I'm going to dive in right about now. So inside the box we have the fuselage, we have the wings, the stand and the tail. The stand is actually different to the one that's sold on board. The one on board is quite chunky and it's got the Iberia logo on it. But this is second hand, so it comes with a different stand. But other than that, it is all brand new and I'm looking forward to reviewing it. So stick around and there's more to come. So here we have it guys. This is the Iberia A340 model. It's got loads of detail on it. It's got Airbus A340 300. And then it's got a little Spanish writing thing here. It's just so nice. It is a really nice model. It's got a registration and a nice tail. It is a really nice model. I really like it. It's quite large as well. It's 1 to 200 scale. Isn't it just a beauty? It is beautiful. So it also comes with this instruction or assembly guide. It's made by Flight Miniatures. So thank you for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed and see you again soon.